Hi there, welcome back. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to install latest VLC media player. So click on your favorite browser. In search box, type VLC media player download and press enter. And now you can see the official website of the VLC media player. So click on it. And now a new web page has been opened. Here we can see download option. So here is the button, drop down button. Click on this and choose installer for 64-bit version. Click on it and here a small file will be installed on your computer. It may be near about 40 MB. It will take a couple of seconds. It is totally depend on your internet speed. After installing this file, click on open. I got this message because I am trying to install VLC media player out of the Windows App Store. So click on install anyway. And now here we can choose language. Click on OK. And click on next, and this is the license agreement. Please read carefully and click on next button. These are custom options. You can check or uncheck according to your need. Click on next button. Here you can select drive where you want to install this VLC media player. Click on install and VLC media player is being installed. It will take a couple of seconds. It is totally depend on your computer speed. And now VLC media player has been installed. I hope this video tutorial will help you. Thanks for watching.